Our 6,000L sewage suction truck is equipped with complete professional configuration and superior performance accessories, covering all functional parts required for sewage section and cleaning operations. Its dedicated working system consists of a power takeoff, transmission shaft, high-performance vacuum sewage suction pump, pressure tank, hydraulic system, pipe network system, vacuum pressure gauge, manure viewing window and hand washing device, fitted with a high-power water ring vacuum pump, and high-quality hydraulic systems. The truck delivers strong suction power and stable operating performance. The tank body is made of high-quality carbon steel from Wuhan Iron and Steel, with a thickness of 6 millimeters for models above 5 cubic meters, ensuring durability and pressure resistance. Adopting an integral die-cast forming process. For the tank head, the truck supports double-top hydraulic tipping, hydraulic rear door opening and closing, allowing the internal dirt and sewage to be directly dumped thoroughly through the rear cover. It is also equipped with a thickened sewage observation tube, water oil separator, and anti-overflow valve for safe and intuitive operation. An 8-meter professional sewage section hose is standard equipped, featuring reliable hydraulic lifting and automatic discharging functions. This sewage section truck integrates safety, efficiency, and durability, and is widely applicable for municipal sewage cleaning, sewer dredging, and environmental sanitation cleaning work.